Hello, hello. It's Wednesday, February 8th, 2023. It's a CI subgroup meeting of SIG Node. Welcome, everybody. Today, agenda item, Parker added agenda item for adding CI for quarter monitoring of ephemeral storage. But I don't see Parker here, and I'm not sure whether this time works for. I think he's in China somewhere, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, let me try to get to him on Slack to see what is proposing here. Is there a PR? I see. Okay. Okay, let me. I think we can discuss with Parker offline on this issue. And then AIs from last meeting. I think Mike created this issue, but I don't see Mike today. Yeah, we still need to create these jobs for older Kubernetes versions. And lastly, yeah, I think this is still not fixed. I think this is still failing. I believe there was an attempt to do that, to fix it, but it didn't pan out. Yeah, if you have more updates on this Fedora jobs, please speak up. Peter, I think it's... Peter, do you have any other ideas? Or it's still, I've been busy with enhancements. Okay. If you're trying to speak, you're muted. If you're not, then let's move on. Yeah, not much happening because of enhancements. I think everybody's so busy with enhancements. It's interesting that release team called the party to close all the enhancements that didn't fit the milestone. So yeah, party. Okay, let's go into triage board really quickly and see what's going on. Cherry pick. Yeah, I won't even open it. I will deal with them offline. Yeah, images update is outside the scope of our discussions. Typically, just let it be. Yes.
So yeah, are you trying to share the board or not? Because
we still want to move this feature forward. Ryan, can you? Oh, you're assigned on this already.
We can't see your screen, Sergey, if you're trying to share. Are you trying to share something?
Do we need it to be a separate job?
No. We can't see your screen. Can you hear us?
So, yes.
Oh, wait. Maybe?
Hi. Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. We can't see your screen if you're trying to share a screen.
What's wrong? Can I let me? Do you see me?
Yeah, we see you. but we don't see your screen.
Okay. And I just started hearing you. Like, I don't know
Oh.
what happened.
Weird.
Did you speak a lot?
I don't think anyone else was talking for a period of time, but yeah, I think
Oh, okay.
there. Now we can see the screen that you're talking about.
I reshared it. Okay. Sorry about that.
That's okay. So go back. So what was the question on this one?
Yeah, do we need a separate a job for this? I mean, do we need a test first? And then if we need a test, do we need to have a job for that?
Yeah,
separate?
I think we do for both. We need the test and we need the job.
Is it different settings and everything else? Can we get it combined with something else?
So this feature is alpha right now. And so the goal is to promote it to beta, but we don't have the data signal from CI. And so we'll need the CI signal to know if it's working or not. Once we move it to beta, then we can deprecate out and remove the test here.
Makes sense. Yeah, remember on CI, some place it will say it's not required. Wait. Is it CI job? Yeah, if you can review it, it will be great.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll take a look. So yeah, I believe on CI jobs we typically have this like fields saying if it's required and if it's optional, and I don't
Right,
see
and
it.
blocking. Yeah.
We'll confuse station. Okay. And I believe you already assigned on that. Just move it to needs review. Do you still see my screen? Checking.
Yeah, I can still see it.
Last one. Measure to measure, topology measure. I think Swati, it's a code change, right? Mostly.
It's to introduce a metric to measure the admission latency introduced by topology manager, again for topology manager GA work.
I'm happy to approve this change.
Perfect.
Okay. So we need a reviewer first for actual metric change. Francesco, do you want to cross review?
I'll be happy to review, yes. Feel free to tag me.
I forgot your new alias.
At FF.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, this will be it for test board. Is there anything else? Maybe somebody would try to speak up while I didn't hear anybody. Any agenda items? No? Okay. Let's go to bugs really quickly and then we'll be done. Okay, just 7. Image ID is inconsistent, but documented. Yeah, I already helped a little bit with documentation. Pod C group CPU set is not getting updated.
I can't help but wonder if this user is using the containerd client to change things side by side to the kubelet. Is this a bug or an issue for Kubernetes or not?
Yeah, it doesn't say how they change it.
They mentioned was using the containerd client API. So maybe we can just ask, hey, how do you trigger this change? Because if it is, I mean, side by side to the kubelet, then it's a completely different story, I think.
Do you have a recommendation for topology manager, maybe? Like CPU manager, I think, in this case.
This is about CPU manager, I think.
Yeah, but you cannot pick specific CPUs, right?
No, you are not supposed to select the CPUs. It could be worth checking why the C group didn't change, but a lot of questions need to be asked before, I think, like, hey, how you're doing that? But and yes, again, to circle back to your question, we are not supposed to select specific CPUs.
Dispersion status periodically. Okay. Kubelet not status quo. Hey, is it kubelet flips the status? I thought it's some external tool will do that. Oh, this okay. What fails? Generate when failed mount. Okay, what do we have? We have container, is volume mount. Okay, it seems to be two issues with the same similar symptoms. One 25. Yeah, it seems to be no details. So I'm gonna do triage accepted. Yeah, I wonder if it's regression.
It sort of sounds related to Clayton's fixes that he, well, volume manager isn't using. What was that?
Everything is related to Clayton fixes because yeah, it's termination related.
Yeah, it's volume manager isn't reaching into pod worker to get state with when it should be, so probably related.
Yeah, I wonder should we delete the original like this one and just keep this one. Okay, this we just looked at. Health minder detects failed kubelet and restarts. Yeah, this clearly doesn't have enough information. So they state that sometimes there is this health script that will kill kubelet, and on restart it will randomly kill some containers. It's not supposed to happen, so we need more information. Yeah, this one just looked at. Okay, I think we're done with bug triage as well. So any last minute comments, suggestions? Again, sorry for technical problem in the beginning. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.